future-focused frontier, exploring the promise of 3D printing. Step into the future-focused frontier of additive manufacturing, where the possibilities of 3D printing are limited only by our imagination. But what is the promise of 3D printing? And how is it poised to transform the way we design, manufacture, and create? At its essence, the promise of 3D printing lies in its ability to democratize manufacturing and unlock new levels of creativity, efficiency, and innovation. From customized medical implants and aerospace components to sustainable construction materials and consumer products, 3D printing offers a personalized and sustainable approach to manufacturing that is reshaping industries and revolutionizing the way we think about production. One of the key promises of 3D printing is its potential to reduce waste and environmental impact. By using additive manufacturing techniques to precisely deposit material where it is needed, a 3D printing minimizes material waste and energy consumption, making it a more sustainable alternative to traditional manufacturing methods. From reducing carbon emissions to conserving natural resources, 3D printing holds the promise of a more environmentally friendly future.